Hi, thanks for all the great feedback for Campaign Codex. I've had a few requests on how to find the item price path and item currency path on non-D&D systems. Just a little heads up, I'm going to be revisiting how this pricing comes in and how you can customize this in a future update, making it a little bit more robust and customizable. But to grab the information, what you want to do is go into your world, grab an item you've got in your world, and click to open it. And here you can see we've got a price, so we kind of know what we're looking for. You want to look for this button which says Copy Document UUID. Sometimes it's on the left. Just click on that. It'll copy it to your pasteboard. And then jump in and create a macro. You can just do this straight in the console as well, but I'll show you both methods. So in the macro, type in console.log and then brackets and go game.items.get brackets, quotation mark, then paste in what was just copied, delete item and full stop, and then do your closed quotations and closed brackets. Make sure it's set to script, and then click execute macro. And if we jump over to the console, you will see that we have got this item has popped up here. If you're doing it straight in the console, you could do game.items.get and then the parentheses, quotation mark, and then paste in the UUID that you copied. Just delete the item and full stop, quotation marks, and then parentheses. We know that we're actually going to be looking for something in the system. So if you don't want to get the whole document, you can just go .system, and that will give you all this same item here, but it will grab just this system path here. So what we can do, we'll do the big long one first, and then I'll show you where it is in the other one. So here we've got the item, and it's full of like a lot of information, and we're looking for where the cost is, denomination, something like that. So it's generally going to be in system, so you can press the little arrow next to that, and then we're going to be wanting to look down here. So we're just looking for something like price, cost, and here we've got price. Things like Pathfinder 2E, I think it's got price here, but then it's like an array of gold pieces, copper pieces, silver pieces. But it does have something similar to this value in GP that you can copy out. Here, D&D 5e, we've got value. So you can just right click on that and go copy property path, and then move back over to Foundry. And then here we've got item price path. We will paste in our new path, system price value, which is the same as the old one. And then the same here, denomination. If you right click on that, copy property path, you can get in here and then paste that in and click save changes, and then reload your world, and that information will be updated through your sheets. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to update the settings around that so you can manually set like a denomination, because I think stuff like Starfinder and Daggerheart, they all have like slightly different variations on that, or they don't have one built into the system. So I'm going to try and make this a little bit more robust, but that will be definitely coming in the next non-bug update. Anyway, thanks for your time.